how are you? Welcome to the channel. If we haven't met before, I'm the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia. I want to welcome you to our channel and to today's video where we are still in our Back to Basics series. This is video 5 and we are doing our second week of our grocery haul, and I'm going to go through and share with you all of the things that I've bought this week per shop, break it all down for you again, show you what all the costings are, and then at the end I'm going to show you what we still have left over from last week and how that is all going to sort of come together. So check it out. So here is everything that we have gotten for this week for all of our meals. I needed to bring out the table again, so we'll go through everything per shop and I'll break it down and show you what we've got. Alright, so here's a little haul that I've done already. I just went to Foodland and got these mini chicken dim sims. They were $3 for, what's that, 900 grams, so just under a kilo. Then it got 2 packs of chicken breasts because they were $6.95 a kilo, so I will divide those up. I got a watermelon because it was $1.99 from the fruit and veg store. Got half a celery, it was $2. A whole celery was $3.50, but there's so much here, we're not going to eat all a big one. So just got half and then I'd be happier to use it. And then we know I'm not throwing any away. I got half this cauliflower for $1.20. I will blanch it and then freeze it. And then I was gifted this free loaf of bread from a Buy Nothing group. So yes, that's a little shop so far for this week. Still got heaps of stuff left over from previous. Okay, here's our Coles shop. I'll go through everything and show you guys. Some things I bought just because they were on special. Some things we've run out. And anything else I'll describe along the way. So I did buy 2 more packs of these muesli bars. I just got this out, but I got carried away and started packing them away. So I just thought I'd keep the box there to show you. I got a box of this risotto pasta because it was on special. Got a packet of batter to make some honey chicken hopefully during the week. I got 2 of these pizza bases because they were on special. Got a packet of these frozen potato gems, potato royales, whatever you want to call them, poms. We aren't really a fan of the Aldi crinkle cut and other chips. The wedges are fine, but the other ones we find they just don't crisp up as well, and we love these, so I'm going to spend the bit extra to get these. Loaf of white bread, loaf of multigrain bread. The Aldi white bread that we got was good, but the multigrain dried out really quickly, so I probably won't get breads from there again. It's just easier to get them together. 2 litres of milk and iced coffee. Got a can of baby corn spears, probably do a stir fry. Got this sweet chili sauce because I completely forgot it last week, so I need to add that into the mix. I'm adding in this barbecue sauce. I would normally just get the home brand, so again, but we already had this in the cupboard, and so if I had to purchase it, I'm gonna add this into the pricing, so I'll leave that there. Same with the cinnamon sugar and the ground cinnamon. These are pretty much empty. I need to replace them and I will go to Coles, so I'm going to claim them. I just realised when I got home that we're nearly out, so I will go back and get some because Kira wants to make some snickerdoodles, and so we have these ready. I have another oat milk for her and her coffee sachets as well. I got these schnitzel chicken from Coles. See, these will be great for meals. There's 12, so they will last us for 3 meals. Then I've got 2 packets of these chips for Jeremy snacks. 2 packets of the Veggie Straws because again they were 2 for $5 and these are really good school snacks. I know it's cheaper to buy the bigger pack, especially when it's on sale for $1.75. However, it means that usually a lot more of the pack gets eaten. Having multi-packs, it means you can just grab one pack and be done. And no, they don't last very well. Putting them into Ziploc bags, they tend to get a bit stale. So it's just easier, cheaper, and tastier to keep them this way. And the same with the French fries. I've got 2 packets of these. Funny, this is a 6-pack and these are a 5-pack. And then I got 2 packs of these Super Dupers because they were on special. And this will probably only last us about a week with the warmer weather coming up. So I got 2 packs, and if they come on special pre-Christmas, which they probably will, I'll stock up some more with them then. And that's everything from Coles. So here is a tiny little shop from Aldi, and I spent $26.54 or $26.55. I paid in cash because the FPOS machine thing just freaks me out, and I don't want to pay credit card fee charges. So we got the sliced cheese again because we're nearly out, and we thought it wasn't too bad, so it's cheaper than Coles for that one. Sour cream again, sour cream because we're going to have some wedges this week. And we've got a block of cheese. This wasn't there last time, but we will need it for some pizzas and other things this week. I got these noodles because they were on special, and I thought they'd be really good for a stir fry. There. Got these mini pizza bases, 12 in a pack, so they were on special, and I thought they'd be really good to have for Scott for dinner, for something different that's not chicken nuggets and chips. Even though he's been eating quite a variety of other stuff, it's still good to have the options there. And I got this butter because it's 1 cent cheaper than Coles, but not if you pay cash. Because Kira wants to make some snickerdoodles, so I got her some butter. And with the flour we already have, and now the cinnamon, she can make those, so we'll let you know. Okay, I went to Woolworths for 2 things. I went for the lettuce, it was $1.50, you would have seen when we were going through the junk mail. And I went for the butter because I always look to see if it's on special. Regular price is $3, when it goes on special it's $2.50. And this is, make sure up close. This is the butter that we use for the base of the risotto. So that is what I'm going to use this week. Then I got some champignons because there was none at Coles. And then I happened to get this beef chuck roast because it was $13 a kilo. At Foodland it was $13.99, so ooh, save $1. And it was a nice smaller size. All the others were at least 2 kilos big, but this being a smaller size, I was more than happy to buy this one. So we will hopefully have a roast this week as well in our meal. So wasn't in the original idea or budget, but happy that I found something. So it's everything from this shop. Alright, a quick Foodland haul. Pineapple sweet and sour Cantons were $2. So I got 4, so hopefully that will last till the next sale cycle comes in. I did get some ham, so I've put it away already. So just got 100 grams because the 400 grams was a bit much last week. And we've put the others away for pizza. And then I've got some chicken loaf for Kira, which she's about to steal from me. So it says it's $9.90 a kilo, so $1.39. It's about 6 slices in there. So that's our little Foodland haul. And here is our last little ad. So I ended up driving back past the fruit and veg shop yesterday because there was a sign out that had bananas for $1.69 a kilo. So I had to drop in and get some. And got some more sweet potato. I got some more pumpkin. I got another set of eggs because they're only $1.49. And then I went to Liquorland and I bought a bottle of this because we use it for cooking in the risotto. I just thought I'd go through and show you guys sort of what we have left over after last week. I've hunted through some bags and cupboards to pull some things out. So I thought I'd just go through and show you some good things. And, you know, this explains sort of how budgeting works and how you can buy now and use later. So we still have one whole thing of chicken. That will be a meal. And the same with the mince. So we got a kilo of mince, chopped it in half. So there's another meal there. Made the lasagna, and look, pretty much there's hardly made a dent. So that will easily make another 2 lasagnas because I'll double up on the pasta next time. Pretty much still a whole packet of chicken nuggets minus 4 because we only had 1 meal of that. Still got pretty much all the cauliflower, broccoli, corn and mixed veggies. I've got 1 family meal left of chips and of wedges, but I'll put something else alongside of them as well. I still have 8 eggs, a whole lot of butter, only a few slices of cheese, that was to be expected. About 1 more drink of this, but this is still completely full. I have a whole bag of carrots and 2. That's there. I have pretty much all the apples that I bought minus about 2, so they will be ready for a dessert this week. And here are the 4 red apples that I bought for Kira, and of course they're still here as well, so they'll be for the chop for dessert if she doesn't get to them. Nearly through all the rice, didn't touch the pineapple or the macaroni or the spaghetti, and still got most of the spiral pasta. Didn't touch the peaches or the second can of tuna because we had the family barbecue to go to. Didn't touch the maple syrup or the honey or the jam. So as you can see, got that there. Come up here, Milo, as I said, that will last forever. We have half of this left. All the cookies that I bought last week, they're still all in there. Coffee, that will be here longer than me. Still have all of these oranges. I've eaten about 3 or 4, I think. Got about this much left of sour cream, so we'll have that with the wedges. Haven't even opened this cream. We had this last night for dinner, but I'm just gonna put this here that we only would have it wouldn't have been touched if I filmed this yesterday, but I ran out of time. Heaps of oil, heaps of tomato sauce. Didn't even make this last week, just got busy, so that's there if I want it. Heaps of wheat biscuits, flour and sugar still here, potatoes still here. We have a pack left of the French fries and the Veggie Straws, and heaps of Glad Bake. Well, this just meant to be the 15 meters, but we only used 1 tray, so you know, 14.8 meters left. So out of all that big shop that I did, we still have quite a lot of stuff that's easily going to stretch out for this week and even into the next week. So I'll keep you in check of how we're using things and moving through. So see you next time. So there's a lot. There's a lot for this week, which I wasn't expecting, and there's still a lot left over, which we will get through. But yeah, it always surprises me how much I buy, and to sort of look at that and see that's pretty basic foods only, with just basic snacks, a little bit of stockpiling starting to happen there in some areas, but for the most part it's pretty basic stuff, including iced coffee. That's important. So yeah, costing wise, I guess at the end of the month it will all pan out and average out, but for now, you know, we just week for week and see how we go. So it surprises me. Let me know in the comments below how much you spend on your food bill per week, month, fortnight, whatever, and how many people that is for. So technically we're a family of 4 adults in this house, and yeah, good intentions, and then they never pan out. We have life happen here, that's the best way to explain it, and so we're just we're not always home to eat, or we just can't be bothered, or snacks rule our life. So yeah, main meals are in solid, no worries. But like for me, some days I leave home at 8 o'clock in the morning and I don't get home till like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and then I might have a sandwich and I've had a coffee to sort of run me all day. It's not great for me, but it is what it is. So I guess that's also why I'm doing this challenge for myself, to kind of see what we do eat for the week and what we can and probably can't survive without. So yeah, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, because we want to be building this community and having fun with all of us. We have Facebook groups where you can come and join us, and we would look forward to seeing you there. But for now, I will say see you later, and as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!